Good morning, everybody. We are here at Holiday World for Holiwood Nights. If it's loud, I'm so sorry. I'm at the wave pool. I'm soaking up some sun before we get all the festivities going on later. We got so much planned. I'm so excited for all the ERT later, and I'm just ready for a great day. So I'm ready, you're ready, let's do this. As you can see, the wave pool is popping today. I can't wait to get in there and just cool off because it is like 85 degrees. It is so hot. We need to stay hydrated, keep our sunscreen going. Gotta have a good day. Look at all these coaster nerds in their natural habitat. And we pay money to actually do this. Insane. I'm more entertained by everyone else taking videos. I really couldn't care less about the coaster. The people are way more entertaining. Look at this. And they're done.
So they get their picture and then they're just like, okay.
And they're like, all right, I'm out. Okay, here is the Raven and Legend walk back. Most everybody is far up there. We hung back a little bit so we could, you know, get shots with, you know, nobody in it. Beautiful lake, it's super hot, it's a beautiful day. Just vibing. Eric and I just made a TikTok. It's funny. I'll post it here.
Ugh! I hate people that work at the bank. Shh, I work at the bank. Here is $1. Do not tell anyone.
Not the best. It is what it is. We tried.
Oh no, you're not.
Okay, here we go. Sorry, the walk back was like slightly uneventful. We were getting run over by the next group that was coming up behind us, and we had to get moving along, so it's what it is. We're gonna get lots of ERT later though. So, all right, we came into the gift shop in 4th of July, and they have all this special 75 or the 75th anniversary merch. They have like cups and hats. These t-shirts. This shirt is $18.99. Super cool. And then this one over here is also $18.99. It's really neat. So we're looking around gift shop, and look what I find. Look how cute these are. It's each of the mascots, and these are like the nice enamel pins. And these are $13.99, which is actually a really good deal for 4 pins. Obviously, there's so many other cute things in here. I really like this shirt. And it's on like the Bella canvas shirt, so it's really soft. Here's another one. These are the lovely price of $25.99. What we got over here? Cute. Same color, or different color, same design. Super cool. A lot of neat stuff in here. I like the puzzle. I feel like that would take forever to put together though. Look at this. 1,000 pieces of the park map. I would die. Absolutely insane. Oh, these are really cute. Like that Dole Whip, an apple, ice cream, pizza, jerkies. I can even get one off. $5.99 for the magnets. And different ones over here. Ooh, there are. Look at these ones. Adorable. These ones. This one's $2.99 for the mermaid. I think the rest of these are probably gonna be $2.99. Yeah. Adorable. I love these. So we got more over here. Snackles, for sure. I might get one of these. I kind of really like the ones over there. These are cute. Santa Claus Land. I think these ones. Yeah, these are also $5.99. These are cool. These stickers. They're stickers. Very nice. And I know when you like line them up, they make like a background or something. Super cute. And they got the coasters put together. Oh yeah, same prices like everywhere else, $34.99. Super cool. I love this shirt. All the snacks on it. $24.99. They have it in kid size. So those of you that are familiar with the fuel rod system at Disney World, they also have it here. So I'm sure if you used your fuel rod from Disney World and you brought it here, it would probably work. All right, well, we finished up our tour and now we are getting food. I think it's gonna be tachos. What do you think it's gonna be?
I don't care what it is. It's the best part of the day.
We're hungry. So hungry. We need a snack. We just bought fudge to try and hold us over and it ain't working.
Yeah,
so
don't eat fudge on an empty stomach.
Yeah, don't eat the fudge on an empty stomach. You get a tummy ache. Well, would you look at that? We get tachos.
I don't care what it is. I'm hungry.
Num nums. Heck yeah. It's a sad day. Thunderbird is not operating.
Not operating. Yeah, Thunderbird.
R.I.P. It sucks, but it is what it is. They're doing what they can. However, I will say Holiday World is absolutely amazing because if you signed up for Holiwood Nights, they are giving you an extra night, or an extra day ticket, I should say. An extra day, anytime to come back. How freaking awesome is that?
And from the engineering standpoint, it's a footer issue, which means they pay close attention to their rides.
Bingo.
Which means they are obviously very safety coordinated, because a footer issue would be something you would not normally see right away. So take that for what you will.
That's super awesome.
Yep.
So shout out to Holiday World for being the absolute best with customer service and giving us an extra day throughout the summer to come back.
Because they didn't need to.
They really didn't. And they did. Super awesome. Eric, when are we gonna go ride? Omo! Omo! Except I don't actually know the real name for it here, but
Mayflower or something?
Mayflower Voyage or I don't know, something. Mayflower something.
It's Omo.
But it's Omo. Hashtag that Cedar Point life. It never leaves you, huh? It's literally just the Mayflower. So we're gonna go take a little trip on the Mayflower, huh? Yeet! We at the Omo Holiday Inn. We at the Omo Holiday Inn. Heck yeah, we gonna ride Omo. Woo-hoo! It's a party! Okay, so what number is this for us for the Mayflower? Number 3. Send it! Only waited because we wanted the very end so we could get like the highest point. That's how dedicated we are. Okay, so we just got off the Mayflower after our 3rd ride, and now we're going to Gobbler Getaway so I can kick his butt and get a higher score.
about that?
I'm very sure. I got a pretty high score yesterday. So, we'll see, we'll see, we'll see.
Win surprise!
All right, Eric, what was your score?
Combined, it was like 1,600.
I got like 11 something. 1140, I think it was. So, Eric won. Is what it is. Good game, good game. Everyone's waiting for ERT. We got a huge crowd of people. Let's open this park back up. Woo! Yay! Kara, are you ready for the all-girls ride on Voyage? Yes. I'm so ready. I'm ready for this takeover. Woo! Okay, so we just were let loose, like, oh my god, I can't even.
Grab the train. Here we go.
We got our train of people.
Oh.
Wait, we lost Kara. Kara! We got Kara.
Better get her.
Oh my gosh, this is hilarious. All girl ride! Woo! Heck yeah! All girl takeover on the Voyage. That is what's up. This is gonna be amazing. I'm so excited. I think everybody is super excited for this. Getting ready for the all-girls ride on the Voyage. So excited, so ready. It's gonna be so much fun. We just finished the all-girls ride on the Voyage. It was amazing. Oh my gosh! Girls rule! Woo! Heck yeah! Amazing! So amazing! Woo! Oh my gosh! That was so awesome! Woo! So much fun! Heck yes! I literally lost my voice from this ride alone. Oh my gosh! So much fun! Okay, we finished the first train of ERT with the all-girls train. It was amazing. And now we are hyping it up with the turkey whirl. Oh heck yeah, look at that. Whipping around. So much fun. Well, since everybody is in line for the Voyage, we came over to the Raven and there's literally no line. And there's also no line at the Legend either. Look at this. A completely near empty platform. Crazy. Well, we did the all-girls ride on the Voyage. We did the Legend, we did the Raven, and now we are doing one of the best rides, the swings. Because why not? Look how pretty this is. Like, come on, why wouldn't you want to do this? Especially at night. So pretty. So fun. The current line for the Voyage. Full queue outside. And I'm pretty sure there's a full queue on the inside as well. It was a lot longer earlier, but now it's only to back here, which isn't too bad, but still, it was a lot longer earlier. All right, guys, well, that pretty much wraps up my day at Holiday World for Holiwood Nights. We did a lot today. It was super duper hot, so I wish we could have done a little bit more, but I still had an amazing day. I hope everyone else that attended did too. My thoughts and prayers go out to the woman that unfortunately had passed away after her accident on the Voyage. Saddens me, but our coaster community is so amazing that everyone kind of came together. We had a moment of silence. It was really nice. So yeah, I am done for the night. I'm going back to the hotel. I am going to sleep, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.